Achieving your weight loss goals has never been easier with these 5 delicious fruits. Apples, berries, grapefruit, kiwi, and pears are all excellent choices for weight loss, keeping you full, providing essential nutrients, and supporting overall health. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, reducing overeating. Berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and water content, making them a delicious and healthy snack. Grapefruit contains naringenin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and support weight loss. Kiwi is a low-calorie fruit high in fiber and vitamin C, boosting your immune system and overall health. Pears are high in fiber and water content, satisfying and hydrating, and low in calories. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you'll reach your weight loss goals while enjoying nutritious and tasty food. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.